This village panchayat has, such a unique facet of the natural heritage which you will not going to find in other areas of Goa. For example, this is the only village which has the highest number of the limestone deposit. Got it, no? Starting from Waingani to uh, Shalab, you can see the during Kurd area, the whole patch is of the limestone. And in Kotal village, you can see there is a Mama Bhacha Chokro, what is it? There you have the very huge boulder called Jugo. So all these three boulder remembers you about the limestone. What you will find the people will come and take the blessing of this tree. And when leaves are distributed as a gold, there are different types of the trees used in India. One is Bohemia rasamasa, that is aptyacha jhad, and another is a Mitragaina paurifolia. So the leaves of this is exchanged as a gold. So you can see it is very beautiful tree. And why the tree got the value of the gold? Because this is the tree that is helping the numerous insects. Got it, no? So this is the tree that foster uh, insect diversity, bird diversity, and small wall-like fruits it bears. So that is why this tree is very important. And why this tree is considered as a sacred? Because the Brahmadev is not originally from this village. From where Brahmadev came and in which century? So we are told that Brahmadev was brought to this village during the period of the Portuguese, because when there was a religious persecution started by the Portuguese, most of the temples in Iswadi Taluka, Bardesh Taluka, and Sasti, that is Salset Taluka, they were shifted to various areas. But this temple was shifted before coming of the Portuguese. So you may be aware that Alauddin Khilji looted, burned the capital city of Goa called Goapuri or Gopakapattam. After that, two important kingdoms of the southern India that were fighting for the fertile land of the Krishna and Tungabhadra, the Bahmani Empire and the Vijayanagar Empire. So both these empires fought together, and there was a Muhammad Gawan. So during the time of the Muhammad Gawan, the temple of Saptakoteshwar, temple of the Gomanteshwar, many of the temples faced the demolition, and that is why this temple was originally in the village called Kadambahalli. Got it, no? Kadambahalli means the village that was full with the Kadamba tree. Got it, no? So Kadamba means this Kalam tree. So maybe Kalam tree, and it is one of the beautiful village of Goa, which has one of the village that is fortified. Old Goa has a fortification of 17 plus point. Got it, no? So for example, now in the vicinity you can see this is the Sonchapa. Got it, no? That which has a amazing fragrance. So this is Sonchapa. Then you have the Nagsapa, Bhuta Champak, and the third one is the Madai Chapa. Got it, no? That is associated with the temple. It is also called as the Madai Chapa because in many religions the flowers are used for the dead body. Got it, no? Decorating dead body. So why I have brought you here? Because this is the area which attracted the Gowda person to take the rest. Because this was the spring, got it, no? Perennial spring that was quenching the thirst of the people. So very tasty water, and this water comes from a very unique place called Dudin Sado. So at Dudin Sado, you can see there is a sacred grove called Ajobachi Tali. So Ajobachi Tali has a myristica swamp vegetation, and also you can see that is the area which is known for a unique type of the crabs. In Goa, no, there are freshwater crabs. So uniqueness of this area is here you can see a very tasty crab called beldek, which you will hardly going to find in any other places in Goa. So it has a beldek. Then if you go around 4 o'clock, then you will be welcomed by the great hornbill. Understood, no? So great hornbill is Navathora. So this Lavani, actually in Maharashtra, Lavani you will find the reference referring to the beauty of the woman. But the Lavani that are composed in Goa make reference to their favorite deity. And here favorite deity is Brahmadev. So this is the village which is actually worshipping Sateri, goddess Sateri. So this goddess Sateri is worshipped in the form of the Mahishasur Mardini, but with the coming of the Brahmadev in this village, you can see lot of transformation took place, and during the December month, you can see the Brahmotsav is celebrated. So this village produced one of the finest teachers of Marathi language from this village called Ananta Purushottam Khalilkar. Got it, no? So you can see the Chitpavan community migrated from the Maharashtra to this region, and they're one of the biggest settlement you can see in the Nagargaon and Brahmakarma area. So they came here, settled here, and when they came, you can say Ambede, for example, Ambede's Bhave who are there in Ambede, you find a reference of the Bhave. The Bhave community owns the land in Ambede, major land in the Ambede owned by the Bhave. So they, as per the historical record, they are there from 15th century. Got it, no? 1510 Portuguese came to Goa. So before coming of the Portuguese, the Chitpavan community were there in Ambede and this area. So the land record tells you that the Bhaves were there in Ambede in the 15th century. Got it, no? You can see the two consorts of the Brahmadev. One side you can see the Savitri, got it, no? And another side you can see the Saraswati. Then middle you can see the Ganpati is there, understood, no? Then left hand side Vishnu is there, and Shiva is sitting on the Nandi, understood, no? So very beautiful sculpture, and this sculpture show you that originally the sculpture is brought from the Karmali Brahma. Original place is Karmali. So Karmali, what concrete evidence of it is? You can see the crocodiles are there. Understood, no? Then you can see the goose are there. Got it, no? So it is the indication that our evocation is the Ganpati. Vakratula Mahakali, like this. So it is shown in middle. So this is all about the culture.
मला स्कूल ड्रेसर येऊन भुरगे घातले ते काही युनिफॉर्म म्हणून असेच घालता पळय तांकां खूप पॉप्युलर आहे
पाणी आज जातं देवळाचा काय प्लेन आहे
Western Himalaya is the youngest, whereas the oldest mountain chain in India is the Western Ghat. So in Western Ghat you can see amazing, bewildering facets of the biodiversity is there, and there are very few pockets where you can see the unique type of the vegetation is there, and this place has the unique vegetation. For example, this is also a bailad. I have shown you the tree called bailad outside. So this is one more bailad, and the water is coming from the underground. Got it, no? And this water is medicinal. So, as per the Portuguese record, the Portuguese studied some of the springs in Goa. After that, the extensive study has been conducted about the springs in Goa by the NIO, National Institute of Oceanography. So, you know that there are springs in Asnora, for example, Ambeshichi Jhar. So, Ambeshichi Jhar is very good for the eye. So people suffering from the eye diseases, eye sore, they were going there and taking the bath in the water of the Ambeshizor. So those people who are facing problem as far as the digestion is concerned, or you are not feeling hungry, then this is the water you can drink. Got it, no? So earlier this water was pure, got it, no? No impurities were found, but during Ganesh Chaturthi, people emerges into this water the clay idols, and the clay idols is not a problem, but the clay idol carries the lot of impurities in the form of the chemical color that are very hazardous. And the cobalt also is used, mercury also is used in painting, gold color, all these contain hazardous chemicals, and when the clay idols are immersed into this water body, it is responsible for spoiling the quality of the water. So here you can see sometimes the impurity entered there, got it, no? But throughout the year the water is thirst quenching water, and it increases your hunger. And here on most of the tree you can see the white patches are there. These are the microorganisms called lichens. So lichens are the indicator that this area is free from pollution. And why I have brought you here, because there are scholars, there are researchers who used to say that in Goa we don't find the evergreen forest. This is the finest example of the evergreen forest. Got it, no? This forest remains throughout the year evergreen, and one tree tells you the history of more than